If you like chocolate mousse, then this is for you. This easy chocolate mousse recipe with the Cool Whip is perfect for any gathering. Moreover, it is delicious, however, it is time-consuming. That is why perhaps not so easy to make. So, with these easy chocolate mousse recipes, you can conveniently make and prepare them at home. But most importantly, you get to serve your family and guests with delectable desserts. What you will need. Ingredients: 2 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, 1½ cups of fat-free milk, make sure to divide into 2 portions, 1 package of chocolate-flavored sugar-free and fat-free instant pudding, 2 cups of thawed Cool Whip, ensure to divide into 2 portions, ½ cup of fresh raspberries. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Pour your semi-sweet chocolate and milk into a large microwavable bowl. Then, ensure to microwave it on high for approximately 2 minutes. After that, whisk until your chocolate melts and combines well. Step 2. Afterward, add in your dry pudding mix and the remaining milk. With that, make sure to beat using your electric mixer for about 2 minutes. Then, refrigerate for 20 minutes. Step 3. Next, whisk in a cup of your Cool Whip to your chocolate mixture. After that, spoon it into 6 dessert dishes. Step 4. Lastly, take your remaining Cool Whip and top it into your dessert dishes. Do not forget to add raspberries for garnish. Then, serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks for Cool Whip chocolate mousse recipe. Once you thaw your Cool Whip, you may refrigerate it for up to 2 weeks or refreeze it. Moreover, if you want an easier chocolate recipe than the recipe above, you may omit semi-sweet chocolate. And beat your pudding mix and all the milk in a medium-sized bowl using a whisk for about 2 minutes. Next, stir in your 1½ cup of Cool Whip and spoon into your serving dishes, and continue to step 4. What you will need: super quick and easy chocolate mousse recipe. Ingredients: 1 container, about 1 liter of Cool Whip Light, 168 grams of chocolate candy bars, 42 grams of chocolate bars for garnish. Step-by-step instructions: Cool Whip chocolate mousse recipe. Step 1. First and foremost, melt your chocolate using the double boiler or in the microwave. Once your chocolate melts, make sure to pour it into your Cool Whip. Step 2. Next, gently whisk until everything combines properly. Then, place your mixture inside the refrigerator and make sure to refrigerate for an hour. Step 3. Take your large spoon and spoon the mixture into your dessert dishes and garnish them with a small piece of chocolate. Lastly, serve and enjoy. What you will need: creamy and easy chocolate mousse recipe. Ingredients: 1½ cups of chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of room temp unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of whole milk, 1½ cups of Cool Whip. Suggested toppings: sea salt, Cool Whip, fresh berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. In a large microwavable bowl, combine your chocolate chips, butter, and milk. After that, microwave the mixture for about 30 seconds. Or do it until the chocolate melts properly. Then, keep on stirring to melt the chocolate. If needed, you can microwave with an additional 15-second interval to melt the chocolate. Remember, be cautious not to overheat your chocolate. After melting, allow your chocolate to cool at room temperature. Step 2. Afterward, add your Cool Whip. Then, continue to fold and stir into your chocolate mixture using a rubber spatula. With that, mix the mixture until well combined and has a smooth consistency. Step 3. Next, spoon your chocolate mousse into your dessert dishes. Then, ensure to fill each dessert dish with ½ cup of mousse. Step 4. After that, refrigerate your chocolate mousse for at least an hour. Or do it until it sets completely. Lastly, make sure to add your toppings as desired. As always, serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks for Cool Whip chocolate mousse recipe. Essentially, avoid overheating your chocolate as it may become clumpy. Because of that, microwave your chocolate just enough to allow your chocolate chips to melt. Then, allow your melted chocolate to cool completely. Make sure to do that before adding your Cool Whip. Doing this avoids melting your Cool Whip. Furthermore, be patient and wait for your chocolate mousse to chill and set. Remember, please do not take it from the refrigerator earlier than recommended. Consequently, taking it out early can affect the texture of the chocolate mousse. In addition to that, you will not achieve a creamy texture. What you will need: easy chocolate marshmallow mousse recipe. Ingredients: 3 cups of mini marshmallows, 1/4 cup of butter, 4 ounces of dark chocolate, 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 cup of Cool Whip. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Before anything else, heat your 1/4 cup of milk, butter, and marshmallows in a small saucepan over medium heat. Then, stir the mixture as often as possible. Step 2. As your marshmallows start to melt, break your chocolate into small pieces. After that, add them to your mixture. Step 3. Afterward, continue stirring until you blend the mixture well. Next, remove your saucepan from the heat. Then, allow it to cool down. With that, make sure to stir in your Cool Whip. Step 4. Ultimately, spoon the mousse mixture into your serving dishes. Afterward, chill for about 30 minutes. After chilling, garnish with fresh berries and chocolate syrup. Then, serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks for Cool Whip chocolate mousse recipe. Please adjust the chocolate to suit your taste. Likewise, you can use semi-sweet, milk chocolate, and even dark chocolate. You can also mix the chocolates that you want. In addition to that, you can add more Cool Whip on top of your chocolate mousse. Make sure to do this before adding fresh berries. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.